Get ready to witness the future of luxury and performance. The 2025 Mercedes E-Class is here, redefining elegance with its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating driving experience. Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into everything this masterpiece has to offer. Exterior design. The 2025 Mercedes E-Class commands attention with its sleek silhouette, dynamic body lines, and iconic front grille. The digital light LED headlights enhance visibility while adding a futuristic touch. Chrome accents and a refined aerodynamic profile ensure that this luxury sedan looks just as stunning as it performs. And let's not forget the brand new alloy wheel designs and stylish rear LED taillights, which give the E-Class a bold, commanding presence on the road. Interior luxury. Step inside, and you'll be surrounded by unparalleled comfort. The plush leather seats, premium materials, and state-of-the-art craftsmanship create a cabin experience that feels first class. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the advanced infotainment system, is designed to immerse you in luxury. Performance and power. The 2025 E-Class isn't just about style, it's built for performance too. With a range of efficient hybrid options and powerful AMG variants, this sedan strikes the perfect balance between smooth comfort and dynamic handling. Whether you're cruising in the city or pushing it on the highway, the E-Class delivers an exhilarating drive every time. So, what do you think of the 2025 Mercedes E-Class? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're excited to see more exclusive car reveals, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more incredible content only on Car Release TV.